got here at the Kisumu National Museum, and this is what I found going on. Actually, we are going to celebrate World Tourism Day from the 27th, and I think these are some of the early preparations. So once you pass through the gate, this is what you're given. So you put your details here, and then you head over to this office for payment. 819. So guys, this is the administration block. I'm already cleared, and the charges for entering the museum is 200 Kenyan shillings for citizens. Yeah, so let's start our walk. So this is how the place looks. This is the view at a distance or from a distance. There are seats here in case you want to sit and just chill. This is the environment around here. I want to start by viewing the snakes. Look at all those nests. I guess these are the weaver birds. They look so pretty. So guys, you're walking into a traditional Luo homestead, and this is what it entails. So you can see the art here. So this is just to give you a glimpse of what the traditional Luo homestead would look like, and the activities people would do. You can see the ladies in the kitchen. One is fetching firewood in the background. These are people sipping traditional liquor, and one is using a chalice to smoke. So you can see the boys are also busy here. Yeah, busy building the home. And then the ladies fetching water. Some are in the shamba. So we're walking into the home. The Luos also use this I've forgotten the name, but these baskets that they used to hang on the ceiling and store food. So they used to have that. If anyone knows the name of that basket, kindly comment. So this is Kisumu National Museum. So neat, so clean, well kept. So this is the homestead of the traditional Luo community. So it's an exhibition of an homestead. It's called Mzee Odero's Homestead. So this is just typical Luo homestead. So you can see this is the first son's hut. This is how the hut looks like, the first son's hut, with the grass thatched roof and the mud walls. Hey guys, so this is the first wife's hut. Wow. Looks so amazing, yeah? And then the roofs were pointed, grass touched, supported by sticks. And then they have these pots, and then these were the seats. You see them? This is beautiful, huh? And then look at the window. I also got a chance to enjoy this amazing performance by the Luo traditional dancers. This is just depicting how the Luo community used to celebrate using dance and music. Now it was my time to show the world what I got. I think I'm a better dancer. Watch this. Then there's also this hall that consists of the African heritage, which simply refers to the rich and diverse cultural, historical, linguistic, and spiritual traditions that originate from the African continent. It also encompasses the legacy of civilizations, people, practices, and values that have been passed down through the generations, both within Africa and across the global African diaspora. Kitmikai is a sacred rock formation located in western Kenya in Kisumu County near village of Seme. It is an important cultural and spiritual site for the Luo people, and its name means the stone of the first wife in Luo language.
Yo guys, look at how massive this rock is. Big.
Check hizo meno, bro.
Look at this one. Oh, please.
Having completed my tour, I decided to attend the United Nations World Tourism Day Forum within the museum. This was very informative and educative. And all these banners you're seeing, these are partners who are on board.
Three things must be there: oxygen, fuel, and heat. So fuel inatoka through the pipe, inakutana na oxygen huko nje, ndio ina form your fire. I want you to look at hapa katikati. Kuna moto hapo. Hiyo ni space yenye ikuguza tena. Fuel inatoka nayo. Ikuguza tena moto. So hiyo space ndio unaingiza mkono, unafinya. It's not that hot, haiko hata hot. Who wants to try? Wewe nataka usipanic, sawa? Usipanic. Enda, tunakutegemea sana. Piga makofi wewe, makofi. Ni moto.
TV hapo nyuma tuko na youth cycling for live. Youth sawa sawa. So in the meantime I go by the name have Mandantes kijana Mastingo. Odipo in the building. Inataka kupigwa DJ tena. Alafu tuko na Kalfi. Tuko na Kalfi resort in the building. Mambo mbaya. Alafu tuko na yeah. In the building, Marisol, the Grand Royal Resort.